Hey guys, welcome to day 4 of 30 days programming, and today's problem is deleting a node in BST or binary search tree. Though it sounds simple or a trivial problem for PhD related problems, but it took me more than 3 hours to solve this problem because I made some silly mistakes on the web. Even after that, this problem is a bit tricky for newbies like me. So don't judge me if I did if I couldn't do it more in the most efficient way. And there is nothing to explain. You are given a node and you have to delete that node from the given PSD. Before start solving this problem, I will assume that you guys already know what a BSD is. So if you don't know what a BSD is, go on Google, YouTube, search what a BSD is, what are the characteristics of a BSD and everything, and then come back and watch the video to understand it more. So let's say we are given a root and a key, and for the, for that what I'm gonna do is at first check if the root is none. If the root is none, I'm going to return root or none. Now as for the BST characteristics, if the key value is less than root value, then we will traverse left. And if the key is greater than root value, then we are going to traverse right. And if we find our desired root, meaning root is equals to key, root value is equals to key, what if we have to think about some cases, right? Now let's say I have a BST where I need to delete a node which doesn't have any left child. So left child is none. So I could just simply return the right child and that would be sufficient. Root dot left is none. Return root dot right. And same goes for if the right child is none, then we will just simply return root dot left child. Here's the tricky part. Let's say I have a BST. Okay. Now the node I want to delete has both left and right child. Then what I'm gonna do is to find out either predecessor or the successor of that node. And I'm going to swap the positions of both of them. After swapping the positions of both of them, what I'm gonna do is to again, depending on choosing successor or predecessor, I'm going to recursively call the whole delete node function again. And in the end, I'm gonna return root. Def. Return root else. And for this problem, I also assume that you already know what's a successor and predecessor in a BST. If you don't know, please Google it up. Let's create a variable called suck. Okay, it sounds wrong. Successor. Now I'm going to change the position of my targeted node value and this value of successor. As I'm working with successor, I'm going to save it in my root.write and recursively call the delete node function in my root.write. And here I'm not gonna use the key, rather I'm going to use my root value or the successor value. And after that, I'm just going to return my root. Let's see. Now we submit it. It's been accepted. And here you can see my runtime and memory. That's it for today. I'll see you tomorrow.